A very good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. How are you all? In fact, how were your vacations, Raksha Bandhan and all these festivals? Definitely there might be some difference this time because of the corona virus, this outbreak pandemic. So have you observed any kind of changes this time in celebrating these festivals? Yes. I'm sure that many of you might have missed your relatives and your well-wishers, those who used to come to your place to wish you, to greet you. And definitely, but we have to bear with this till the situation gets normal. So welcome back, dear students, to our online class. And in our last session we were doing advertisement, right, if you remember, and we have already covered the 4 sections of advertisement. As I already told you, we have to go with the classified, and we have already covered the 4 segments. So today we will start with, as you can see here on the screen, lost and found category. This is the 5th category, lost and found category. And essential details, let me tell you first, and then we will go with the example and all those things, further things. So what are the essential details when you draft an advertisement, a classified ad for a lost and found? So students, the very basic need, as I told you, that you need to begin with what? Heading. And what could be the heading? The heading would be should be lost or found. Okay, dear students, I hope it must be clear that heading, you can see here, lost and found, they have written together. If it is a lost case, you can write lost also. If it is a found case, you can write found also. Okay, or you can write under the common section lost and found also. So now let us see further requirements. What are the further requirements? What are the essential things which you need to include in your ad? You need to begin with lost and found detail heading. Then you need to specify the item. Whatever item has been lost, supposingly your wallet has been lost, then you need to give the details of your wallet. If your water bottle is lost, then you need to give you need to specify the item, which item has been lost. Okay, then third step in lost and found classified ad is that you need to give brief physical description. See, I'm saying brief physical description, but that brief physical description should be sufficient enough to recognize that particular item which has been lost, right? Okay, now moving further, what do we need to include in our classified ad of lost and found is that when and where. That is very important. When and where, these 2 things we need to mention. When and where are things, whatever thing we are giving the ad is lost or found. Okay, further we need to mention, okay, so dear students, as I was telling you that what we are supposed to include in our classified ad of lost and found, I already told you that you need to mention when and where you found that item or you lost that item. Then very important, especially we include it in lost and found cases, that is this reward, if any. So do not forget to mention when drafting any classified ad for lost and found that reward is an important fact that attracts the attention of the reader also, and at least they will do some attempt to find out your thing. And then, as usual, I told you many times, you need to end it with your contact address and phone number. So now let us see the example. So here is the example on your screen. You can see lost and found. It's been given as a heading. Lost my American Tourister bag while traveling to Jaipur. Black colored bag contains driving license, PAN card, rupees 3000 cash, headphones and many other important things. If found, please contact Mr. Ravi, your name and then your phone number, or submit it to your nearest police station. And then see in the last, here you can see founder will be rewarded with rupees 5000. So this is how, and in the last you need to enclose it inside a box, very important. And the marks, I have already told you, it's been revised now. Advertisement is only for 3 marks now, and those 3 marks are very important. So this is how we draft any item. Suppose if we lost any item, so this is how we are going to draft our ad, classified ad for lost and found. Now let us see another example. As you can see here on the screen, as I told you, you need to begin with lost and found, specify the items lost or found, then you need to give the description, then reward if any, and then contact address and phone number. So here you can see we have already discussed about the lost one. Now let us see found, how to draft the ad for found. So let me zoom it. Yes, here it is. Found a laptop lying on the bench in Tagore Park, Jalandhar at 6 p.m. Okay, and on 20th June, see the date is there, which date I found that on 20th June 2013. It will be handed over to the rightful owner after proper verification. Very important, because verification is a must, so that you cannot hand over it to the wrong person. And see, when we found something, you know, we do not give the description. उसमें हम लोग description नहीं देते हैं ज़्यादा, क्योंकि अगर आप पहले से उसका सारा description दे दोगे तो फिर जो आपसे वो चीज़ लेने आएगा, that person will tell you. Okay, so if you will tell all the details of whatever you have found, then obviously anybody can come and claims that that particular thing belongs to him. So to avoid, okay, so if you will tell all the details in advance to the audience, like yes, I have found something, and you will give the physical description of that particular thing, then the person will any person can come to you and claim that that thing belongs to him. So the proper verification is required, and we do not give too much physical description when we find something. Okay, so be careful. Lost may we give details, but in found we do not provide so many details to the reader. The owner should bring the necessary papers to claim it. Okay, and supposingly if the owner should bring his verification documents, maybe his residential proofs, or his KYC, or his Aadhaar card, or his PAN card, so that a proper verification should be done, and the things should be given to the to the real holder of that, to the real person who really whose thing is that actually. Okay, then contact GC Malhotra, 512 Model Town, Jalandhar. Phone number is also given over here, and then you need to enclose it in the box. So I hope lost and found must be clear to all of you. So lost and found, again let us quickly have a recapitulation. Like we write it under the heading lost and found, then we specify the item, then we give the brief physical description in case of lost. In case of found, we only tell about the thing which we have found, and the date on which I have found, where I have found that particular item. Mention when and where you have lost your item or found it. Then reward, very important, and then you need to end with contact address and phone number, as I told you, and enclose it inside the box. So we have done with lost and found. Now let us move to the next category, that is the educational institutions category. How do we draft the classified ad for that? Okay, now let's see. Okay, moving forward to educational institutions. So as you can see here on the screen, what are the important things which we require for this? The essential detail is you need to give the name of institution, its past record, then we will discuss it. Okay, don't get confused. Mention the courses offered, what is the duration of the course. Then you need to specify the eligibility condition, like if anybody would like to attempt that course, what would be the minimum eligibility criteria. List the facilities available and fee structure, and then quote the last date for registration or application need to be submit. Then end with contact address and phone number. So here you can see there is an example also. You are the secretary of the Indian Institute of Foreign Languages, Hyderabad. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in a newspaper announcing the commencement of new courses. As it is already given in the question paper, that you are secretary of the Indian Institute and your institution is starting new courses, and you need to draft and you need to give an advertisement for that in the newspaper. So how you are going to give, under which columns you are going to provide this? So the column would be educational. Heading you can see here, जो heading होता है हमारा वही column होता है, तो educational is the our heading and it's the column. तो educational के under हम लोग लिखेंगे, right? IIFL we have given the abbreviation for Indian Institute of Foreign Languages. As I told you that every word cost a lot in classified, so we reduce the word limit. Okay, IIFL announces the commencement of its short-term courses in French, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, etc. Now we are giving, see, we have given the institution name. If you can see, bache, let me show you. See, here it is the institution name. The very first thing we have already covered. Then we have covered what all are the courses we are providing. So courses in we have mentioned here the French, Japanese and all that thing, if you can see. So we have covered this also. Now we have covered the duration, the time, कितने time के लिए हम लोग वो course करवा रहे हैं. तो आप you can see here ना, mention the course offered and the duration. So we have mentioned the course offered. The courses offered, short term courses offered in French, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, and we have also mentioned the duration 6 months. Now see the next point, specify the eligibility condition. Now see, we are here, eligibility senior secondary means the child should have passed its senior secondary and that is the minimum eligibility criteria. तो वो भी दे दिया अब हम लोगों ने. Now let us see, move to the next one, list the facilities available and fee structure. तो क्या क्या facility हमारा institution provide करेगा बच्चों को जो आएंगे. So now see, excellent faculty. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट किसी भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन के लिए क्या होता है? व्हाट इज़ द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग? व्हाट इज़ द पिलर फॉर एनी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन? इज इट्स फैकल्टी. सो हाउ इज़ द फैकल्टी? सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन एक्सीलेंट फैकल्टी. देन कंप्यूटराइज्ड ट्रेनिंग विल बी गिवन. इंसेंटिव्स फॉर अर्ली बर्ड्स, you can see जो जल्दी आएगा, the one who will reach us early, that person will get incentives also, means a little bit of fee concession we can give, or we can give some sort of incentives to the one who will reach us early. 10% seats free. Other facilities which we are giving, we are attracting our students, so 10% seats free. Send in your application by the 16th May. Here you can see here you can see that we have already given the last date for registration or application, and then in the last, contact secretary and the phone number, and it is enclosed inside a box. So this is how our educational, we draft classified ads for education purpose institutions. Let us move to the second example quickly, students. You are Ramanujam Revati, a student of class 12th, St. Xavier School, Jhansi. You are interested in giving tuition in maths to 1 or 2 students of class 8th. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words for a local newspaper. So how you are going to do that? Again, first of all, a box is there. You can see maths tuition. Again, the heading is maths tuition. Maths tuition available for class 8th only for 1 or 2 students. Timing is given. Result oriented. Whatever the teacher will teach, it will definitely provide results. And then contact person, Ramanujan, class 12th, St. Xavier School, Jhansi. So this is just to give you an idea that how the drafts we used to draft the classified ads for educational institutions. Now let us move forward to the next category, and our next category is travels and tours. So let us see. Okay, so dear students, the next category is of tours and travels, and you need to begin this with the package available, etc. You can start with it in some other way also. I am just giving you a hint that mostly it begins with the package available. Then you need to state the name of the travel agency, which travel agency is giving that package, you are from which travel agency, and then you need to specify the destination and duration, where for which destination you are giving this deal, what would be the duration of this travel package, how many days you are going to provide the food, accommodation, whatever. Then you need to give the details, you need to supply the details of the package, like what kind of a food you're going to provide, how would be the boarding, lodging, sightseeing, what all are the sightseeing places, spots you are going to cover. Okay, those details you need to provide in your classified ad. उसके बाद क्या कवर करोगे आप, you need to give the estimated cost also, very important, you need to give estimated cost and special discounts if any. And as usual you need to end with the contact address and phone number. अब यहाँ पे contact address and phone number will be of whom? The contact number and phone number, the contact number and the address will be of the travel agency itself, okay, or the owner or the person of the travel agency who is giving this ad. Now you can see here on the screen there is an example. Galaxy Cruises offer attractive 10-day package to Dubai, Singapore, Mauritius and Maldives. Stay in 3-star hotels, choice of continental, Chinese, Indian and local cuisine. Cuisine means food, okay. Breakfast and dinner, these all are the things they are going to provide. Courtiers, guides for sightseeing, and the guides will be very courteous and they will be very humble. Rupees 18,000 for single person, and then the cost has been mentioned here, you can see. Special discount for families, if you go with the family there will be some other discounts, special discounts. Contact for booking immediately Galaxy Cruises. So address किसका आ गया, you can see the travel agency's address is there. Galaxy Cruises is the name of the travel agency. Galaxy Cruises 25 2nd floor Mall Road, Amritsar, and their contact number, it's given here, enclosed it inside the box. But something is missing over here. What is missing? But this is an example giving like this. So इसका जो heading रहेगा, the heading will be this only. इसका जो heading है ना, that will be tours and travel. तो आप इसको यहाँ पे you will mention tours and travels, और उसके under you will write this, okay, and then you will enclose. I will show you some other example also. Now you can see the other way of writing it here. Here is the second example. You can see excellent package for Singapore and Malaysia. यहाँ पे कैसे शुरू करा था? Here we have given the agency name first. Here we are writing like this way. See the pattern, the style of writing. Excellent package for Singapore and Malaysia, 4 nights and 5 days. Stay at 4-star hotels, sightseeing in chartered buses. Breakfast, dinner provided, rupees 30,000 per person, special discounts for children below 9 years of age, okay. Book before 3rd April, whatever, 2020, not 2020, 2020 is the worst year, 2021, okay. Then contact International Travels, 40B, Sector 43, Chandigarh, and the contact number. So this is how we draft our advertisement for what? For tours and travels. I will show you another example also. Let us see. See here, dear students, we were discussing about travels and tours. So here this is how you are supposed to write. ये आपकी heading आ जाएगी यहाँ पे, as I told you. Then cheapest air tickets available for all airlines, all destinations. New York, then we have mentioned the ticket price, 35,500. San Francisco, 35,000. Toronto, 34,500. London, 19,400. Visa insurance consultancy, buy and sell currencies. Visit Global Travel, C89 Connaught Place, New Delhi. Phone number. Here you have given your phone number and then you have already enclosed it inside the box. So this is how we are supposed to draft the classified ad for travels and tours. So I hope it would be clear to everybody till now, as I have already given you 3-4 examples. So this is how you need to draft an ad for your classified travels and tours column. Now let us move to the next section, that is business proposals. Okay, let's see what we are supposed to cover under business proposals. So here it is, business proposals. You need to begin with wanted or available. You need to स्टेट स्पेशलाइजेशन, ठीक है, सर्विस ऑफर्ड रिक्वायर्ड. अब इसमें ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. आई विल टेल यू कैसे होता है ये. You need to quote special terms, facilities if any, and then end with contact address and phone number. Okay. Now what all are things come over here, like any business proposal. आप किसी placement service के लिए दे रहे हो, or you are giving it a kind of a tender for your plumber is included. So many services, facilities are included inside it. Okay, so that comes inside business proposal. Now let us quickly have a glance on some examples or samples so that it will be clear to you. देख लेते हैं एक बार. Okay, now let's see. Write a suitable advertisement in a national daily for Novex India Corporation, name of the company, leading hosiery manufacturer concern, offering wholesale dealership and retail outlets. Word limit, as I told you, 50 words इसकी maximum word limit होती है. Advertisement notice की जो भी हमारा 3 marks का short question होता है उसकी 50 words is the limit. So see how it's been drafted here. Wanted distributors for Novex brand hosieries, wholesale dealers and retail outlets. So actually it's a wholesale manufacturing unit which want distributors for selling its products. Okay, so wholesale dealers and retail outlets, they are looking for wholesale dealers and retail outlets. Attractive terms and business discount in addition to traders commission. Interested parties may contact sales manager, Novex Corporation, Ludhiana, or phone number is already given here. So let me tell you, dear students, this question doesn't come in the board exam very often. Basically our main focus should be on lost and found, missing, and situation vacant and situation wanted. So this is just to give you an idea, but otherwise in board exam this sort of question does not come. Okay, for business proposal at least. Okay, now let us move to the next section, that is the matrimonial section, and let's have a look, and I think after that we are done. So the last category under our advertisement is matrimonials, and let's have a look how it's been written and drafted. You can see the examples on Sunday Times, in any prominent newspaper, very famous newspaper, the Hindustan Times or the Times of India. So many ads, classified ad comes under the category matrimonials. Now let's have a look. Okay, so let us see the essential details. As usual, let's begin with the essential details. So whenever we draft this ad, we begin with mostly wanted bride or wanted bridegroom, or alliance or proposal invited. Okay, alliance means Gadbandhan, so that is called. Okay, when you tie a union, that is known as alliance. So then you need to mention whether it is for a boy or a girl. Then you need to mention the educational and professional qualifications of that particular boy or girl. Who either, if you are looking for a bride, then you need to tell the detail of bridegroom. If you are looking for bridegroom, then you need to give the details of bride. Then service and profession, and also income. Though we do not tell the exact income, we give the approx figure. Okay, income in 6 figures, income in 7 figures, 5 figures. This is how we write. Age, height, complexion and build. You need to provide all these details. Then caste and subcaste, religion, Hindu, Muslim, caste, Brahmin family, or a Shudra family, or a business class, whatever. Qualities sought in the partner. What are the main qualities the person is looking in his or her life partner? Then end with box number and care of the daily. You can see the difference here. Students, have you noticed any difference here? Difference in this ad? Yes, there is a difference, and this is the main difference. Because here we do not give our phone number. If you will give your phone number, a lot of phones will start coming onto your phone, and your life will become a kind of a hell receiving those phone calls. So we only give with box number, care of. So I will show you, we will discuss कि कैसे करना है इसको, ये कैसे include होता है. Okay, now let's see the example. Let us quickly see the example. A highly placed IT professional settled in England seeks matrimonial alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and tall girl of status, Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national daily. See, half of the details are already given in the question itself. अगर आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा तो यू कैन सी हाफ ऑफ द डिटेल्स आर हेयर ओनली दिस. Okay, so because who is asking, we are looking for a girl, so girl is bride, so bridegroom is giving this ad for bride, so what would be the heading? Bride wanted, क्योंकि लड़के ने ad दिया दुल्हन चाहिए, so bride wanted. If a girl would be giving this ad, then bridegroom wanted, right? Now see, alliance invited for a very handsome tall and cultured IT professional, 28 years, 175 centimeter tall, NRI, settled in England. So whose detail are this? बच्चे किसकी डिटेल्स हैं ये? कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है इसमें, किसकी डिटेल्स जा रही हैं ये? These are the details of the boy. Okay, the boy's detail are here. The boy is giving this ad only and he is giving his own details. See, alliance invited for a very handsome, tall and cultured IT professional. The age is given here 28 years, height is given 175 centimeter tall, his status is given, he's an NRI settled in England as CEO of a reputed firm. Exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultured girl between 21, age is given, the expected age 21 and 25, and at least 5 feet 4 inch tall, only status Punjabi families. So write to box this and Hindustan Times. So as I told you कि we do not give our own contact number in this, either we mention our email ID, but contact numbers we avoid in giving in classified ads for matrimonials. उसमें contact number नहीं दिए जाते क्योंकि फिर बहुत सारे phones आने शुरू हो जाते, right? So this is how we draft matrimonials classified ads. अभी यहाँ पे if suppose it would be bridegroom wanted, then we could have started it this way, that proposal invited for a fair beautiful Agarwal girl, maybe 25 years, 156 centimeter, working as a sales officer in a leading export house, income in 6 figures per annum, parents having business at Mumbai and overseas, boys merit main consideration, मतलब boy जो है वो उसका पढ़ा लिखा होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, and professional with business background preferred, early and decent marriage. So this is how we draft the ads for matrimonials. So basically students, our main focus, as I told you, in 12th should be for situation vacant, situation wanted, lost and found, missing. These are the 4-5 things, and to let. Okay, so these are the 5 things on which our focus should be there. These are the apart from this, I have given you an idea about all those these classified ads which are important, and you should be aware about all these classified ads. So we have covered our advertisement part in writing skills today. I hope there would be no doubt now, and if still there is any doubt, you can call me, you can ask me anytime during your doubt clearance session. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors, as the cases of corona are really increasing in our area. So I want you to stay indoors only, do not step out unnecessarily. So bye bye, have a very great and healthy day ahead. Bye bye.